Hello, welcome to a new episode. As you can see, I look a bit different. Well, this is what I kind of look like off camera. So I thought, you know, why not this time start the video a little bit different. So the reason why I feel it's time for a change is because I think my channel is getting a bit stale. So I decided to make a few changes and try and give the channel a new look. So the up and coming weeks, there's going to be quite a bit of change to the channel to see if it actually helps it grow. Not because I'm wearing a different hat, obviously not, but with what I'm planning to do. So I'm not going to reveal everything now. I think this is the direction I want the channel to go in, so I'm going to try and stick to it and see how it goes. So yes, let's get on with the video. It's been a long drive, I'm freezing cold, should have bought a coat. Let's crack on and see what we can see. Now this location, we've been here before. Yes, I know, another revisit, but it's only because I'm a bit pushed for locations because I've been doing a lot more stuff off camera to get the new stuff ready, so I'm a bit pushed for time, so I've got to get 2 more videos before things start changing. So the first thing we come up on is this Fiesta, which is now a log shed. That's a pretty vintage caravan though, really. They're fetching quite a bit of money now for Fiesta. So the reason I came back to this location is because I want to see if a particular car is still left in the barn. There's these classic old trucks here, look, really cool old truck, and they surplus of side windows. These poor trucks haven't been moved in years. Very cool vintage trucks. Got the old vintage sign there, look. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Bit of man cave art that there. Got loads of car parts on here. Oh, truck parts I should say. So look, it looks like this path is very often trodden, and that often it's been trodden today. But I don't really like the feeling about it. Got this really cool Austin up here, look. Old Austin. I'm pretty sure that Moisture had the front end on it. I'm almost certain it did. By the looks of it, she's been stripped of her front end MG steering wheel. I can't remember the mileage on this old girl. 96,000. 96,000. Yep. It's an engine. So last time I came here with Colin, if you remember, and we got caught. Well, we didn't get caught, we almost got caught, so I try not to get caught myself. Oh, it's a Metro. Rover Metro, this wasn't here last time. She's been moved, she has. She's been dragged this way, I'm almost certain of it. Let's quickly go to the bit that I want to see before we venture any further, because I don't want to get caught and only have the little bits of footage. Oh, someone broke those windows in. Look. Before this was closed. I'll have a look at that in a sec. You couldn't get into there. It looks like a lot of the area's been tampered with. Oh wow, yeah, the little Metro's still in here, which is fantastic. You couldn't, I don't think you could get in this Metro either, but now you can. Don't fall on me, you git. Original battery, look. Little Austin Metro. Little Austin. I'd love to save this one, I would. Look at that. This vehicle is fitted with front brakes. It's the old front brake model. Yeah, I remember this. It's in almost mint condition. Oh goodness me. She's done 49,000 miles. Can you see that? 49,000. I believe that to be true. These little metros never really were driven as much as modern day cars. But this window's been put down for some reason. I'm almost certain this car was locked up last time we came here. Little metro, a little 4-speed. Oh my goodness. Oof. What a cool little find. This is a 2-hour location, this is. I drove 2 hours to get to here to see this little metro. Oh, metro love. When was the last time it was on the road? 2001. Last on the road in 2001 and the windows have been smashed in for some reason. I'm sure there's a cat in here because I keep hearing movement. Definitely some movement in here. This old tractor. There's an old Fergie. Don't know if things have been taken from it. Well, it's one of those areas I just don't like the feel of again. Oh, blimey. Right then, let's have a look at what the old boy was working on before it all went down the hill. Oh. Wow. The old primer there, look. It's low on oil. Get in there. Well, this place is oily. Look how cool that is. Wow. Mother Nature at her finest. Uh-oh. Got a wasp nest up there. Yeah, we didn't get to see this car last time we came, so... So this is a revisit, but with extras. The absence of humans, eh? Last on the road in 07. This is a rare old girl, this one is here. Crazy, she was driven in here, put on these ramps and then forgotten, which is always strange. Old radio there, look. Classic WD-40, as you do. I mean, look how nice she is. But yeah, that registration's worth a quid or two. Look at the front end of this. It's almost new. I reckon she's low mileage. Yeah, I don't like the look of that wooden block, do you? I don't know who smashed the windows through, but somebody smashed them through. Or the rock, the woods, the frame's given in, it's just fallen. Got a bee's nest, a hornet's nest. The mileage is, oh, she's up there, 162,000. No way. So she's been about the block. She's been around. It was driven, it was used, it was worked. Try and get over here now, they've fallen on my flipping face. Nice little find that is. That's probably the better find in there, look. Look how clean that is. An old Atkinson truck. Wow, that's a lot of money's worth, that is, isn't it? These are clearly the old boy's pride and joy. Really well looked after. Locked up too. What a nice truck. And then we've got a Daihatsu 4-track here, which is, you know, more like a bush than a car anymore. I always wanted one of these. I think there was a stage where these were the craze with all the lads. Everybody had to have one, and then they kind of died out. There are some more cars. I mean, there's a house there. I don't really want to go in the house. Some more trucks up here. Look. There's a few cars over here as well. Got an old Metro there. Is she an MG? I can't remember if she was or not. Yeah, she's an MG. Look, MD Metro. Oh, bloody shame for this Metro. MG Metro. Now that's a crying shame. Oh, she's had it. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness, I'm heartbroken. Got a bit of a sound system there too, in case someone tries joyriding her. And in the bushes we've got an Austin Maestro there, look. That's not an MG, it's just a standard Austin Maestro. But as you can see, she's now claimed. And then we've got an old Z-Tour tractor here. I'm heartbroken. Oh, what a damn shame. Let's try and there's a registration. But yeah, there's a Triumph for you. She's dry underneath though. Some other cars. Fucking hell. Is that Ford Scorpio? Yeah. Then we have right up here in the corner. Do you know, I forgot this was an MG Metro, which is a 1300. Completely forgot about this one. See, again with most places, this place has been, people's come here and they've taken things. Yeah, the bonnet's not even open, it's just rotten. The catcher hasn't even been pulled on it. Oh, she's open. Oh. I always love a good revisit because I've seen more now than I did when I came the first time. What's the mileage? 66,000 or was that 88,000? There's clocks. I mean, that's just class, that is. I love the old retro red carpets and piping and stuff. These seats are awesome. What a shame that she's just been left to rot. Unreal. Absolutely unreal. The whole bottom of that sill just went. And then we've got this old truck here. See, this door was closed last time I came and now it's wide open. Just out of my hands. I've got that all falling apart, look. Registration to this little Metty is G79VBC. God, look how dead she is. A lovely little 1300. There's still loads of usable parts, bumpers, spots, rear tyre lights, still loads of usable parts. Rear spoiler, I'm surprised all that hasn't gone. Just one or two wheels are missing. I mean, look at that, look. There's no coming back from that. She's had it, she's gone. Look how the front end's just completely collapsed. I'd still like to pull this, yeah, I've got cobwebs all over the camera. I still like to pull this out, or try and pull it out, do a wheel start on it, because I'm pretty sure this thing would still fire up. I remember I had one of those grills years ago. I think I was like 14. I had one of those grills. It was a red one. No, it might have been silver actually. Right then, there's not a lot more to see really. I showed you everything that's here. I completely forgot this little MG was here. In my opinion, the best colour too, but I think silver, something about silver. Again, it's another car that I want to buy. A little MG Turbo Metro. I do know where there is an MG Turbo somewhere. I might do a revisit of that one because that was a while ago. Right then, so again, this is not a long video. It's another short video, but it's still a good one. Make a move, get out of here. This is very time sensitive, you see. I've only got an hour to do this location and I've been here an hour and 5 minutes so far. From me and this little Metro. Remember, don't limit yourself. And until next time, thanks for watching. Keep car hunting and I'll see you all soon. Thanks for watching.